I'm on your tally, no? I'm telling you. Babes. I don't know.
Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cruise vlog. We are going to Key West and the Bahamas with my family, and then the back over there. Just got to the port. We parked. That's our ship right there. Day one of the cruise. Timmy's over there. And my brother is over there talking to my mom real quick and saying goodbye. But yeah, we're excited. Here's Timmy.
Gotta make sure I'm in it.
Yeah, you already know.
Most important member of the family.
Alright, okay. Currently waiting in line.
Ship when facing forward. Odd numbered muster stations are located on the starboard side.
So we just finished the drill and we are the first to eat. The sun. Currently forcing them to come play this game with me called Spin It to Win It. That's the wheel right there. What are the prizes? I thought it was too.
Oh, since you're okay.
Just played Spin It to Win It. And me and my sister both won artwork. We won artwork. I told you, what is this? It's not artwork. Did we get the same thing?
It's the same thing.
That's good.
Oh,
No.
don't worry, you can put it. You want it?
You want
I'm good.
both?
You guys spun it and won it.
At the cafe.
See fish?
This fish? Oh, you wanted fish. Ooh, I want some salmon. I know. Like this. Yum.
Right now?
Look at this one. He bought some. This is his cheese grits. He just put some grits and then slapped it on top. Well, it's definitely afternoon time right now, but me and my sister, we're dressed in all red. All red, all red, all red. We're finally ready and our brothers are sleeping.
You're sleeping, so we're just gonna do our thing and then we're gonna reconvene with them.
Yeah, yeah. They were up really early because they went to the gym.
Yeah, they were. We can't be mad at them.
Yeah, we had.
can't.
But yeah, so we're about to go take some pictures and explore this shit.
Yep, we're gonna explore the ship. We're gonna go. There's a game show going on. You're gonna go say hi to that. Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi to the game show.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, see you
Take care,
later. At this point, I don't even know. Okay, we're about to finally leave. It's been like...
But why are you recording? Are we not supposed to be leaving this place?
So we are currently outside. We decided to go upstairs, take some pictures while our brothers are sleeping because they don't get annoyed, but we take forever. But look at this beautiful view. Wow. This is awesome. So guys, I have been out in the sun for about how many hours? We've been out for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And Kiitana, check if I'm tanning. I think I'm tanned. Okay.
You think you're tanned?
Let's check. Okay.
That's for able people show. Okay. Can it show? Let's see. Bruh, this is a 10.
Is it tan?
I'm on your tan, you know.
I'm tanning?
Babes.
I'm tanning.
Babes are tanned.
Guys, our brothers have finally woken up. So we're about to go eat. This lighting is pretty nice. We're about to go eat, go explore, go do some game shows. I haven't even filmed any of those yet, but I will. I'll insert those soon. Look how cute my sister looks. Hey, Kita.
Huh? Hi. They made us put this on.
Yeah, we're not allowed to wear just our bathing suits inside the lunchroom, so we had to put on jackets and like cover-ups just to go eat. Awake. Say what's up.
Yeah.
Goodness. Man. Guess who's finally here. Okay, Shade Guy.
It's me.
Okay, look good. Okay, Toby.
Gang gang.
Ew. Hey, Yos. What you gotta say to the people?
You know, living life.
Loving life.
Living life. Enjoy myself with the family. You know. Happiness is a choice.
Check him out on Instagram at SupermanT44. Is that it?
Superman T44. You know, new music coming out soon. So be on the lookout for that. Yeah.
They look so tired. Yeah. Look at them over there. Hey Timmy, what's up? Cool guy.
What's good, huh? Let me see who I'm talking to.
Okay.
Oh, what's good, family?
This looks good. Wow, you look so nice and sweet.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a lie. He's
Oh, it
only
looks
lying.
good.
Whoa.
Good. Look, you can see yourself. Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Ew.
Looks good.
You should look like
Looks real good.
You know.
You know. What are you doing?
We found a corner and we're playing Uno. And guess who won first? Me. Look at these losers still playing.
You're a cheater.
I won fair and square. Dang, y'all weren't even close.
So I already won. Let's just keep that in mind.
Listen, that one didn't really count because
Why not? I won so quick. I won in a blink of an eye.
she was doing some cheating over there. I don't even want to say anything.
Yo, I won. And now my sister's over here trying to be second, but you know, what's happening number one?
What?
If you have like a draw 2 card and someone plays on you, can you play?
Yes, that's what I did. Yo, look at this. Yo, you calculating.
Yo, he finally won first and he wouldn't let us forget it. Toby, you didn't even win properly.
Why didn't we win?
I don't know. Alright, I'm about to shuffle. Okay, 1 second. That was a practice run. Ooh! Oh no. Good camera, please.
Gotta cram it.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Cool
okay.
it.
I know.
Yo, you alright over there?
What happened was my thumb had slipped.
Uh-huh.
Look, you
Ew, yours
still
was
put a
not
TP.
as good as mine.
TP? Is that what it's called now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
It folds just like that. Damn.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Take it 2 good times.
Yo, you better be good.
Why wouldn't that be good?
The ending was a little trash,
Yeah,
but it's
look
okay.
What?
Check it out.
Why you start so slow?
You had to catch it.
Well, people are doing like celebration photos. How cute. We're about to watch Jimmy Hopper. I don't even know.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight after showtime, I've got many things planned for you. At 9:15.
Hi, Kitty. Formal dinner time. So I got a fruit medley. I got some escargot. And then all of them are basic and they got lobster bisque. Lobster bisque! Woohoo!
Thank you, Lord.
Toby always is taking
Take someone's
food.
food.
Look at you. So I got this. Look at, do you see? And I also got some chicken breasts. So I'm very late, but we're heading to parasailing. Our brothers are so annoyed with us, like, it's just embarrassing. Yeah. So we're about to go. We're so late. No. Oh, no. No, thank you.
Alright, flip you in, you'll sit down on your butt and feet out in front of you, okay? You'll take off back.
culprits that left us.
Go, you say you'll be fine?
No, it's because I left my ID. I left my ID. Wait, oh, team made a friend. Yeah, okay.
We went on that other boat. That one, yeah.
I feel like I heard them say that.
Yeah. Tubby, follow.
Yeah, I'm about to.
We're trying to decide if we want to jet ski right now. I don't know because we already did parasailing. Should we jet ski?
I don't know. I'm down.
So we're going back on our ship to rest before jet skiing. Exciting! So I tried things a little different today. Put red lipstick on. If you know me, I do not wear red lipstick. But you know, it's an interesting look.
Forward and grab your raffle ticket. We're gonna get going.
Ready?
It's gonna work. I'm gonna say the first number. If you have that number, you're gonna say it back. So everybody's first number is 0. So I'm gonna say 0, and you're gonna say 0. Then I'm gonna say 1, and you're gonna say 1. And we're gonna keep going until just one person. 6.
Oh my god.
It is literally 666 at the end. Right, so other than pepperoni, the most popular pizza topping, what are you going to go for? Cheese. Cheese?
Yeah.
Just cheese. Do you think it's a good answer?
Yeah!
It's the top answer, ladies and gentlemen.
So we didn't get to play Family Feud because they wanted to be fair.
And they did raffles.
You know, and they knew we'd win, so that was really what it was. So we would have won. We would have definitely won because all the answers.
We would have won, man. We feel that.
But yeah, so we came to the casino and our brothers are playing and none of us know how to play.
For real.
For real. We used to play this growing up, but they're about to play.
Definitely don't know.
Look at them.
She was like.